Hi everyone, today with me I have these stainless steel mixing bowls. It's a set of 5 bowls with grater attachments and upgraded lids. So I definitely wanted to show you guys what these look like and how I love using them. They are incredible and I'm so excited to have them. Check this out. Let's open everything and set it up. Alright you guys, I got everything out of the packaging, and as you can see, first of all, every bowl fits inside the bigger one, so it's great for easy storage. And I really like that they all have numbers on the side so you can know the measurements of the bowl. For example, this one goes all the way up to 1.5 quarts, and they all match with their lids, so it's super easy to find, and I really loved that part. So check this out. The blue lid goes on the blue pot. I just think it looks so great, and you're going to get all kinds of different colors and different sizes of bowls. But my favorite part is that they have the grating attachments, as you can see, for cutting or grating vegetables, cheese, anything you need, and it goes straight into the mixing bowl, which sounds incredible. So let's set that up as well so I can show you how to get that done. Alright you guys, the grating attachments are only for the big mixing bowls. You can see the color matches this one and this lid. So this lid is only to close it, while this lid has a little surprise in the middle. So you're going to open up the middle and place the lid on top of your big mixing bowl, and then you can add any of the different attachments that come with it. This is great if you're going to slice cheese, zucchini, carrots, anything, and then you want to carefully remove it by inserting your finger right there and pulling it back off before you choose another of the grating settings. So you have this little one and this bigger grating one. So truly great to chop and grate anything you want, from potatoes to carrots, and I'll definitely be using this in the kitchen way more often. So definitely recommend you guys check out these mixing bowl sets. They are incredible. They come with everything you need, and you can grate away, mix away, make cakes, and even use these as storage inside your fridge. So go check these out on Amazon. I definitely recommend them.